Dumelang Bakgaeso, I'm back. Did you miss this gorgeous mother of 4 beautiful kids? Huh? Huh? I am so excited to be kicking the year off with a reset, rest, getaway with my family. We wanted to take some time off to reflect on 2024, recharge and set intentions for how we want our 2025 to look before we jump into the business of school, work, and everything else in between. However, I didn't vlog the entire trip because obvious, it would defeat the purpose of the trip. Hold on. Don't judge it, because I did capture beautiful moments that I would like to share with you. So let's roll the tape.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see. Motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me
This is our gift from the hosts, and we're about to have so much fun. Half of the board. Love you, Kamuk. Vem cá, Muca. Hey guys, I think it's time to call it a night. First day done, dusted, was very nice. I'm enjoying my stay. I don't know if it's really resting for me, but I'm enjoying just being out of my house. I'm enjoying spending so much intimate time with my family. I'm just gonna cuddle and bite him. I don't know why men don't understand that biting is a love language. Guys, please. Biting is a love language and it's a form of love. Like if a woman bites you, no worry. For true. For true. So this is it for tonight. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Goodbye. Good morning. It is day 2 of our rest getaway with my family. No, Sissy.
Yeah, keep doing this. Sharp.
Wait, Joshua, wait. Iko guy.
Da hore ke. Ku file
Whoa, just whoa. Nereta sorry. Then trying to say one okay tse ding.
Eh,
Trying to know it's a
e tse ke ta ba ra. Ah, o ska ka tsuru, wa bona tse now.
it's high cheese.
3. Ah, ka kwal. Ai tsa ha deo.
Yay!
Ari.
Ay, just managed.
Uchiri has just me.
So yeah.
Tampa dikisi ba udini.
Naman.
It's Jordan.
Man, Jordan.
Ye ka ha ka pegante.
Ika.
La. Ke tlo kula hai.
Ay, auntie.
Ke tla tlo bana la tse ke tse ba diketo.
Asian.
Dolphin.
Oh my gosh.
What is right?
Oh my gosh, Papa.
It's a turkey.
Oh my gosh, man. I don't like chickens.
What's that animal?
Hamster. Hamster. Yeah, just to get it for Wait. What is my
I don't know if you're right.
I think he bites.
It's a hamster.
Hamster.
Check it out and try to remember where everything is.
Okay, and you must all answer. Koala. Okay, penguin, koala. Shark, monkey, cheetah. Crocodile.
Now, where do you think the fox is?
6.
I said it first. I don't think so. I think your mama said it. I said it first. Your mama.
Congrats, you nailed it. The emoji is in position 6. Can you figure this one out?
Orange. I don't know what it is.
What's this?
Orangutan.
Hooray! It's an orangutan.
I don't like orangutans.
Got it.
Guess that animal.
You what we said?
A big. What?
Is this a bed?
A bed and a gear. Big.
Oh, Becky.
A badger.
A badger.
Bed. No. A can and a
Can, a gear. Kangaroo.
It's a kangaroo. Time for your next guess.
Antenna. Oh, why is antenna mean? Elephant. Yes, baby.
Elephant.
Oh my gosh,
What animal is this?
Wait.
Panda.
Yes, you're right.
Panda.
Pen and then there's a third one. I thought it was the eggs.
The answer is panda.
I don't like to look at that panda.
Now, if you guess the animal
Yeah, you can
sound,
go to auntie.
listen carefully.
Okay.
What animal makes this sound?
C.
Elephants.
C.
C. I said first. Oh my gosh.
Leave your answer in the comments, and if it's correct, we'll shout you out next time. Time to match those emojis. Connect the animal with its favorite food.
And that brings me to something that I've been wanting to share. I've recently partnered with Ultra Human, and they're sending me their amazing earring. With everything that I have on my plate, running the household, creating content, and soon getting back to work, this couldn't have came at a better time. The earring tracks so many things I need, like sleep, your periods, and also serves as an alarm. So that's a plus for me. I can't wait to show you how it fits into my daily life. So let's unbox.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene.
Dumelang Bakgaeso, welcome to the Mohlala Household Night Shift Edition. Tonight, I'm taking you with me throughout my night as a mother of 4, newborn, a 3-year-old, a 6-year-old, and a teenager that is 8 years old. Hold on tight to your seats because nothing really happens, guys. It's just that I don't sleep. I'm literally running on 3 hours of sleep at this time. And I'm not going to get any sleep. Because this princess right here chooses her time, like alone time, from 1 to 5 a.m. 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. Mina naisibane alone time. Then during the day, she gives me all the time in the world to spend with the other children in the house. But strictly 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. it's Janaya's time. So I've been running on low amount of sleep. But we're doing it. I mean, so right now I just want to make myself a cup of tea while I cook. Yeah. Hey guys, it's currently 22:41 and Jenna just woke up. Guys, Jasmine is my daughter. I want to show you what she's doing. She's taking videos of Janaya. I don't know what are you doing, Sissy? Okay. Smile, Janaya. Jazzy's taking content of you. You're such a cutie. So the girls are still up. The boys, we had a fight before they went to bed. I've been trying to explain to my boys that it's school on Wednesday and you guys will have a hard time waking up. Wow, you have a hard time waking up because you guys are not used to sleeping early. I've been fighting for a week with my kids to go to bed early with no success. Today, where? I don't know. It's late now. You can't eat. You can eat, but I'm going to eat. I'm about to eat dinner because the time it was dinner time. I had tea and I was full. So I'm not eating sweet. But because I'm going to be up until 5 a.m., I'm going to eat now. Guys, this is the picture Jasmine took of Janaya. How cute! How cute is Jazzy? Hi, Shim. How cute is Jazzy? So cute. Right, let me eat.
have something to write?
This is my father's house. I respect you. I respect your show. I understand who's expressed for me, but this is my father's house.
Okay, so Lana, this is not as I got to eat now.
It's in your bed.
Now you're free to go.
And it's ours.
It's ours. So, we need to go back.
I'm not bullying. I'm just annoyed and bothered. By which one? Everything he has did.
What's the next one?
Which one is done a lot? Anything and everything you can think of.
You're so weird.
Are you
shut up.
It's not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out the life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time. You keep wasting my time. Don't you on scene? Think you know your girl's so funny to be. That's why you think I left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay all night, talking to you to try to play these games. Leave your family in the golden rain, and I don't think you'll ever change your ways. 'Cause our house, it's not a home where no one's there. So alone.